Today I am going to show you how to increase maximum file upload size in WordPress. Okay, first let's check the current upload size limit in WordPress. Put your mouse cursor on Media, then add New. Here we can see that maximum file upload size is 2 megabytes. Now put your mouse cursor on Plugin, then add New. Then type here Tuxedo. Click on Install now. Then click on Activate. Now put the mouse cursor on Settings. Then click on Media. Scroll down a little bit. Then type here any number. For an example I am typing 500,000. Then click on Save Changes. Now put the mouse cursor on Media, then add New. Here you can see that we got 488 gigabytes to upload. Thanks for watching my video. If you think I have done a great job, please hit the like button below. And please subscribe to my channel.